Graphics performance introduced in SolidWorks 2019 fundamentally changed how graphics are handled by SolidWorks and your certified graphics card, providing significantly higher frame rates and much smoother response when interacting with large assemblies. The system option found under the performance settings is now enabled by default in SolidWorks 2021. To see the difference, we will compare this setting enabled and disabled side by side, running a macro that performs 500 mouse rotations for consistency. It's clear that graphics performance is significantly faster, but the numbers tell the real story. These actions took only 7.94 seconds and ran an average of 63 frames per second with graphics performance enabled. Meanwhile, with this setting disabled, these actions took 161.72 seconds at an average of 3 frames per second. If you haven't enabled graphics performance yet in SolidWorks, you're sure to notice immediate gains when using certified graphics cards, when working in hidden lines removed and hidden lines visible. Calculating silhouette edges is a complex task graphically that was previously handled by the CPU. New in SolidWorks 2021, all of these calculations are now handled by your graphics card. In the case of the assembly from Square Robot, there are a lot of silhouette edges to calculate across the model. And like before, the difference is clearly apparent. With GPU silhouette edges, the macro ran in only 4.71 seconds at an average of 107 frames per second. While with this disabled, it took 170.65 seconds and only averaged 3.94 frames per second. Graphics performance in SolidWorks 2021 continues to take advantage of your investment into your certified graphics card, delivering a much smoother and faster experience when working with complex and large assemblies.